Okay, here we are. Sister's laptop. Taken all apart because somehow it dropped and snapped the hinge off. This one's still somewhat intact. Corners all busted, Wi-Fi wires are broken. Fan dirty as hell. And then I find this hair glob between the fan and the cooler for the CPU. That is disgusting. That is the worst I've ever seen. There's the rest of the laptop, keyboard, screen, battery, hard drive, DVD player, all apart. Here's the motherboard. In case you ever wonder what a Dell laptop motherboard looks like. Yep. And then you got my laptop. Holy fuck. That was where the dust was. Fan goes here. Yep. That was horrible. That was the worst I've ever seen. Holy shit.